his head was not even charging towards the police. He was leading the workers in an opposite direction. It's not true that we are telling one side. That's the apartheid narrative. No, those kids were carrying stones. They were provoking violence. No, the 76 generation were carrying spears and knives. They were carrying petrol bombs. Petrol bombs to an R4. Petrol bombs to a trained police guard. No, it's not an unbalanced thing. If anything, it's like what happens in Palestine. Israel throws bombs. Israel takes a sophisticated military against activists who are using missiles that they organize through, simple things in the kitchen like a microwave, a kettle, an electric kettle. They organize quickly to fight police. No, that is not what happened, and so we must dismiss that as a